Dr. Abhishek Bajpayee from Government Shahid Rajiv Pandey College, Bhatagaon, Rajpur. Today we will be discussing the vocabulary and grammar exercises of lesson 6 of undergraduate 2. Name of the lesson is Srinivas Ramanujan. So let's get started with the vocabulary section. Here, first one is to frame sentences to bring out the difference of the pairs. Both the words will be same in terms of sound, but the meaning will be different. So the first word, two words are born, born and born. Born means to come in world by birth and born means boundary. So the sentence formation is I was born in Delhi and they broke their bone in excitement. Second one is some and sum. Sum is questions related to maths or total. Sum is a few. Sentences are he has solved all the sums of maths. Give me some water. Third one is proficiency and proficient. Proficiency means having the skill in doing something, and proficient means skilled or skillful. The sentences are our painter has got good proficiency in his work, and second sentence is they are proficient workers. Next one is expense and expense. Expense means money spent for particular purpose and expense means large place or area. The sentences are Sheila's household expense is very high. And the second sentence is she should limitize her friend's expense. Next two words are feature and future. Feature means an important part or quality of something, and future means time that will come after present. So the sentences are the features of his car are loved by everyone, and the second sentence is our students should have a good future. So this exercise is finished. Now we would go for antonyms and synonyms. The antonyms for poor is rich, large is small, first is last, quiet is noisy, senior is junior, great is small, triumph is defeat, higher is lower. And the synonyms for poor are penniless, calamity, misfortune, feature, peculiarity, influence, effect, unique, matchless, astonishment, surprise. We are having one more section in the vocabulary, and that is fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks in the sentences given below with appropriate words chosen from the list provided. The words are mathematician, trigonometry, dreamy, generosity, indication. First one is born in a poor Brahmin family, he gave no dash of his hidden talent. He gave no indication of his hidden talent. Second is from his childhood Ramanujan was of a quiet and dash temperament. Ramanujan was of a quiet and dreamy temperament. Third one is he always helped them with a dash which all through his career was the most lovable feature of his character. He always helped them with a generosity which all through his career was the most lovable feature of his character. Fourth one is while in fourth standard he could solve the most difficult problems of dash, most difficult problems of trigonometry. Fifth one is he kept a record of the solution in a notebook. which he afterward showed to other dash to their great intense astonishment, showed to other mathematicians. So now we have finished our vocabulary section and we'll move on to the grammar section. Here we would talk about the various forms of past tense. First one is past indefinite tense. This tense form indicates habitual actions in the past, such as Prachi never told a lie in her life. Second, activities or states in the past. It indicates a point or period of time. Example is they lived in India 10 years ago. Third is a series of actions that happened one after another in the past. For example, Prachi got up early, comma, took her breakfast, comma, went school, etc. They are one after another. Second one is past continuous tense. This tense form indicates number one is an action in progress at a point of time in past. For example, yesterday at 5 p.m. we were playing cards. Second is an action in progress at some point of time in past when another action took place. And the example is I was not sleeping when you got home last night. Third one is two or more actions going on at the same time. The example is while Diti was reading a novel, Prachi was watching TV. Third is past perfect tense. This tense form indicates number one is an action completed in the past before another action. Example is by the time the doctor arrived, the patient had died. Second, an action or event happened earlier looked from a time in past. For example, at 11 o'clock they had slept. And third one is an action in past which denotes causes for later actions in past. And the example is I did not know the man because I had not seen him before. And fourth and the last form of this sentence of this tense form are past perfect continuous tense. It denotes as action that began to happen before some other action but has not finished happening at that time. And the example is by 2003 Diti had been working for 10 years as the principal of the school. So as we have talked about the various forms of the sentences, we should switch on to the exercises. The first exercise is exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with either with the indefinite or continuous form of the past tense given in the brackets. Number 1 is Diti cross is in brackets the room and sit in brackets down the chair. The answer will be here cross will become crossed and sit will be sat. The answer is Diti crossed the room and sat down in the chair. Second one is when Prachi set out in the morning, the sun shine in brackets. The answer is when Prachi set out in the morning, the sun was shining. Third is as he crossed in brackets the road, a bus knock again in brackets him down. The answer is as he was crossing the road, a bus knocked him down. Fourth is the sound of the horn wake in the brackets the baby. Answer is the sound of the horn woke the baby. Fifth one is we hear in the brackets someone opening the gate. Answer will be we heard someone opening the gate. Sixth is when Diti arrived in the brackets. Prachi clean is in the brackets the room. The answer will be when Diti arrived, Prachi was cleaning the room. Seventh one is my grandfather was 75 when he died in brackets. Answer is my grandfather was 75 when he died. Eighth one is we not go is in the brackets, out as it rain in the brackets. Answer is we did not go out as it was raining. Ninth one is they see in the brackets the accident when they wait in the brackets for the train. Answer will be they saw the accident when they were waiting for the train. Tenth one is her mother cook in the brackets the dinner when the fire break in the brackets out. Answer will be her mother was cooking the dinner when the fire broke out. 11th is the man fall in the brackets of the ladder when he paint in brackets the house. The man fell off the ladder when he was painting the house. 12th one is large crowds wait in the brackets when the Prime Minister arrive in the brackets. Answer is large crowds was waiting when the Prime Minister arrived. 13th is Khushi get in the brackets ready to go out when start in the brackets to rain. Answer will be Khushi was getting ready to go out when the rain started. 14th one is Ritika wait in the brackets for me when I arrive in the brackets. Ritika was waiting for me when I arrived. So the first exercise is being finished. Now the second exercise. The second exercise is rewrite the following sentences using simple past tense. Also add an appropriate adverbial from the list provided. The adverbials are yesterday, last week, last year, some time ago, this morning, etc. So the first one is we are in a difficult situation. The answer is are will become were and will add last year after situation. So the answer will be we were in a difficult situation last year. Second one is it suddenly gets hot. The answer will be it suddenly got hot yesterday. Third one is DT speaks French. Answer will be DT spoke French some time ago. Fourth is Karan plays cricket. The answer will be Karan played cricket last year. Fifth one is my brother teaches me. The answer will be my brother taught me last year. Sixth one is the porter carries the luggage. The answer is the porter carried the luggage this morning. Seventh one is we have lunch at 1 o'clock. The answer will be we had lunch at 1 o'clock yesterday. Eighth is Prachi comes early. The answer will be Prachi came early yesterday. Ninth one is Karan speaks very quickly. The answer will be Karan spoke very quickly this morning. They play well. The answer will be they played well last year. So the second exercise is been finished and now we would move for the third exercise. The third exercise is fill in the blanks with past indefinite or past perfect of the verbs given in the brackets. So the first one is by the time the ambulance arrived is in brackets. the patient die? In the brackets, answer will be by the time the ambulance arrived, the patient had died. Second is the coach order in brackets them to practice till they not achieve in brackets. The coach had ordered them to practice till they did not achieve mastery. Third is the teacher say in the brackets that the boys could go home when they complete in brackets their homeworks. Answer will be the teacher said that the boys could go home when they had completed their homeworks. Fourth one is Prachi understand in brackets the trick after the magician explained in the brackets to her. Prachi understood the trick after the magician had explained it to her. Fifth one is the supervisor tell in the brackets candidate that he wished that he submit in brackets his thesis by due date. The supervisor had told candidate that he wished that he submitted his thesis by due date. Six is several hours before the cricket match start in the brackets. The spectators fill within the brackets the stadium. Answer is several hours before the cricket match started, the spectators had filled the stadium. Seventh is when we reach within the brackets, the theater, the film start in the brackets. When we reached the theater, the film had started. Eighth one is it rained within the brackets every day this week. The answer is it rained every day this week. Ninth is last Sunday we go in the brackets to visit some friends in a nearby town. The answer will be last Sunday we went to visit some friends in a nearby town. 10th one is mother was mother be within the brackets very tired. She worked within the brackets the whole day. The answer will be mother was very tired. She had worked the whole day. So the third exercise is finished and we'll move on to the fourth and the last exercise. Here we have to combine the pair of sentences using the past perfect tense to express earlier event or action. So the first two sentences are mother prepared the breakfast. We came to the dining table a little later. The answer will be mother had prepared the breakfast much before we reached the dining table. Second one is the fire burned down the shop. The fire brigade arrived later. The answer will be the fire had burned the shop before the fire brigade arrived. Third sentence is the bell rung. The teacher entered the classroom much before. The bell rung. The teacher entered the classroom much later. The answer will be the bell had rung before the teacher entered the classroom. Fourth one is he took his master's degree. He was then nearing 20 years of age. The answer will be nearing 20 years of his age, he had taken the master's degree. Last sentence is number 5. Prachi went to bed. The telephone rang a little later. Prachi had gone to bed before the telephone rang. So I think you will be benefited from the video and you would be able to clear your doubts. So thank you.